Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Scorpio infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from aging hardware or software glitches. First, try a hard reset. Disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the system's cache. Disconnect the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the system's cache. If that doesn't work, check the fuses related to the infotainment system. Black screens are frequently caused by faulty LCD displays or inverter boards. For black screens, inspect HDMI connections if applicable. No audio can result from blown speakers, amplifier malfunctions, or corrupted firmware. If these basic steps fail, the issue may be a capacitor failure within the unit's power supply, a common problem in older Scorpios. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like P500 for audio faults, which can help pinpoint the problem. Remember, fixing these issues often requires addressing both hardware and software. If basic fixes don't work, more advanced troubleshooting might be necessary. Consider software updates, either over the air if available or through a dealership. Many issues can be resolved with updated firmware. However, given the Scorpio's age, obsolescence is a real factor. If repairs become too frequent or costly, consider retrofitting with a modern aftermarket system like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. For persistent black screens, ribbon cable issues are a known culprit. While hard resets can be a temporary workaround, full replacements might be needed. Recycle faulty capacitors to minimize e-waste. According to experts, preventive maintenance, such as annual capacitor checks, can help extend the system's lifespan, but ultimately, upgrading to a newer system is often the most sustainable solution.